So the accomplishment of the project includes two main pillars. One is the curriculum we created from scratch, and then we offer the sequence of course. On the other side is creating the cyber range, OT range, and the space range. But actually the bigger task is to create the scenarios by which we can teach our students, we can leverage those scenarios to do research.
The primary goal has remained consistent to help design a course that is focused on defensive cyber operations, aligns with NIST Cybersecurity framework, which is essentially a framework that is adopted by federal agencies. We focus on this goal and have been consistent in pursuing it. CU Denver collaborated with our UCCS fellows to design the curriculum and also parts of the cyber range, and our students have had remote access to the course and also through the course to the courses that have been designed to the cyber range. From a strategic standpoint, it gives us a hands-on experience in designing a cyber range. We kind of understood, gave us an initial design plus some of the obstacles that we should expect along the way. So now we have a good understanding of what it takes to design a course like this, and also we have the experience of building a course on top of a cyber range, which is invaluable.
Almost weekly, we have hands-on labs, which is really nice. So we go through essentially what a defender's perspective would be, hardening, a website or even maybe a file server or something like that. And then we'll switch to the next week of, in the red team perspective, how are we going to analyze packets or figure out if file transfer is enabled on this DNS and if we can break into it. So I think the hands-on labs give something tangible behind this theoretical thing that is cybersecurity.
I do think it's cool that UCCS has set up a network environment where you can even VPN into it remotely and interact with the cyber range. So it's cool to see the different attacks that we simulate or recon phases and actually do that on live infrastructure. We've kind of shifted to a conversational method in class where we talk about what's on the slides, and then we give a chance for people to share their different thoughts and opinions before our professor answers the question directly, and that's kind of fun.
I feel like this class really breaks it down into digestible steps, and again, a lot of the things we're using here is the industry standard, so it'll really help in the job search.
Our role at CU Denver has evolved from first collaborating on designing the curriculum and cyber range to now institutionalizing that at CU Denver. So the original plan was for us to co-design this course with UCCS, and then our students attend the course remotely, and then we also help with designing the cyber range. But then now we have learned from this experience, we have the design, we have developed the course. So the goal now is more of institutionalizing it at CU Denver, offering it locally to our students, and aligned with that, build our own cyber range.
Our research, we won awards at the national level. So our research, by leveraging especially our space range, we won Hunter Award at the US CyberCon, and we won first place at the DoD National Security Innovation Challenge, first place nationwide. So we're gonna continue to refine our curriculum and our cyber range and our scenario design, because we already know what we can improve.
We are going to also build a cyber range based on the experience that we've gained through this collaboration with UCCS. So the structure of the course and the content and the infrastructure of it aligns very well with our plans and mission of our BS in Cybersecurity program.
And then the research part is we're going to continue to leverage this platform to earn federal dollars so that we can do much more research.